Hey guys, this is Abhishek Kumar. Welcome to my another unboxing video. In this video, I'm gonna unbox the brand new Google Pixel 6a phone. Let's start the video. The Google Pixel 6a has finally arrived and it's been a widely anticipated phone. It packs Google Tensor, a great camera and a Google amazing Pixel software. If you are interested in what's in the box, then we have got you covered. Here's everything you will get inside of the box when you purchase this device internationally. Google Pixel 6a, USB to C cable, one thermometer tool, a USB OTG adapter, region specific documentation or user manual. Now talking about the design and look. The phone is small and compact with just a beautiful in-hand feel. Front, we get Gorilla Glass 3 protection and backside is of plastic. And sides are metallic. Google Pixel 6a is lightweight phone with 178 gram weight. Talking about ports and buttons, there is a noise cancelling microphone at the top of the phone. We got a SIM tray at the bottom left side of the phone with dual SIM, one eSIM and one single SIM card slot. Now talking about display, the Google Pixel 6a is 6.1 inch big FHD Plus and OLED display and a 60Hz refresh rate with HDR support. Now talking about processor, the phone comes with two chipsets. The processor itself is a security chipset provided by Google. The Google Pixel has same chipset as Pixel 6 Pro, that is Google Tensor, a kind of premium mid-range chipset based on 5nm technology and with Antutu score of 6,67,873. Talking about battery and charging, it's 4410 mAh battery with 18 watt wired Type-C to Type-C charging, which is good enough to give a battery backup for a whole day. Talking about connectivity, the Google Pixel 6a is a 5G phone with 19 5G bands with Bluetooth 5.2 version and a dual 4G LTE. Also supports Wi-Fi calling with NFC support. Now talking about other features, the Google Pixel comes with a wideband L1 support and has an IPX67 certification. We've got a Gcam and a clean vanilla OS with 5 years of software update. Now talking about camera, we've got a unique design with 12.2 megapixel main camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and 8 megapixel in the front side. The phone supports 4K 60 fps video recording with stabilization. We can switch from ultra wide to main camera while video recording, so that's nice thing about it. Google phones are known for their unbeatable camera quality. Now moving to conclusion, you can buy this phone if you want a compact size phone with 5 years of continuous software update and an awesome camera quality. You can go with it. That's all. See you next time.